Welcome to Engineering Matcha. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the fascinating world of embedded systems. These powerful, specialized computing systems are the backbone of modern technology, influencing industries like healthcare, telecommunications, home automation, and beyond. We will explore their purpose, applications, and impact on our daily lives. Let's get started. To start, what exactly is an embedded system? An embedded system is a combination of hardware and software designed for a specific function or set of functions within a larger system. Unlike general purpose computers, embedded systems perform predefined tasks, making them highly efficient. For instance, your washing machine has an embedded system that controls its cycles and ensures optimal water usage. These systems are found in everything from consumer electronics to complex industrial machinery, making them indispensable in our technology driven world. The primary purposes of embedded systems are designed to fulfill one or more of the following key purposes: data collection, storage, and representation, data communication, data or signal processing, monitoring, control, application specific user interfaces. Let's explore each of these in detail with examples that highlight their importance. The first purpose is data collection, storage, and representation. Embedded systems collect data from their environment using sensors. For example, a digital camera captures images, processes them, and stores them digitally. Data collection can involve text, voice, video, or even electrical signals. Embedded systems often use analog sensors to collect raw data, which is then converted into digital form using analog to digital converters. This digital data can be stored, analyzed, or transmitted to other systems. Consider smart weather monitoring systems. They collect temperature, humidity, and wind data, process it, and represent it visually for easy interpretation. Next, we have data communication. Embedded systems facilitate seamless data exchange between devices. Think about your home's wireless router. It communicates with your smartphone, laptop, and other devices to ensure you stay connected to the internet. These systems use technologies like Bluetooth, Zigbee, Wi Fi, and even wired connections like USB and Ethernet. For example, in industrial settings, embedded systems enable machines to share data, improving efficiency and reducing downtime. Embedded systems are also heavily involved in data or signal processing. This means they process raw data to make it useful. A great example is a digital hearing aid. It captures audio signals, processes them to reduce noise, and amplifies the sound to help the user hear more clearly. Signal processing is also critical in multimedia systems like video compression in streaming platforms or audio coding in communication systems. Embedded systems make it all possible by managing these complex processes in real time. Monitoring is another significant purpose of embedded systems, especially in the medical field. Devices like ECG machines monitor a patient's heartbeat, providing real time data to doctors. Embedded systems use sensors to measure variables like temperature, pressure, or electrical signals. They then analyze and display this data for monitoring purposes. Industrial machines too rely on embedded systems to monitor performance and detect issues before they become critical. Control systems are perhaps the most interactive application of embedded systems. These systems respond to user inputs or sensor data to regulate devices. For instance, an air conditioner uses a temperature sensor to detect room temperature. Based on the desired settings, it activates or deactivates the compressor to maintain comfort. Similarly, in robotics, embedded systems control the movement of robotic arms with precision, enabling tasks like assembly or welding in factories. Finally, let's discuss application specific user interfaces. These are designed to make systems more accessible and intuitive for users. Take a mobile phone, for example. Its interface includes a touchscreen, buttons, vibration alerts, and audio notifications, all powered by embedded systems. Other examples include automated teller machines, ATMs, and car dashboards, which present complex data in simple, user friendly formats. Embedded systems are the unsung heroes of modern technology. They enable automation, enhance precision, and improve efficiency across countless applications, whether it's ensuring the safety of medical devices or enabling global communication networks. Embedded systems are truly transformative. In conclusion, embedded systems are the backbone of innovation. Their ability to collect, process, and act on data has revolutionized industries and improved our daily lives. Thank you for watching this in-depth look at embedded systems. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Engineering Matcha for more tech insights. Got questions or topics you would like us to cover? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.